So I am back with another Gusto meal. Yes, I did Gusto for another week. I liked it that much and it was so convenient. I thought, do you know what, may as well. And I've actually got 70% off for everybody on your first order. So it is an amazing deal. You can choose whatever you want. It gets sent to your door with all the right portions, but it's so easy. So this is the oven baked creamy pork shoulder and thyme casserole that I chose. I mean, it looks stunning. I love the other ones that much. I thought, you know what, I'm going to get some more. And it was, like I say, it's such a good deal. I'll still be doing my other meals, don't get me wrong there. But people did say in the comments, can we see you make it up as well? Because I literally showed them this. I showed them how I prepped it. I made it and then I showed it when it was done. So they said, could you talk us through it? So I thought, yeah, why not? So first of all, I've chopped up all the ingredients and they come in like these little sachets as well to exactly how much you need. So there's no wastage. And up to now, I've had no veg or meat that's either been off, perished, or unable to use. So yeah, let's get to it. Add your pork to a pan, brown it off with some flour or corn flour on it. Then it says add your garlic, add your onions, and some thyme. We're going to stir that all up. For two people, it was 400 mils of intense chicken stock and also some Dijon is in there, and that gets added to the pan. Once it was bubbling, boiling hot, this now gets transferred to a casserole or oven dish. It says to use one with a lid, but I suppose if you haven't got one with a lid, you could put some tea foil over it. So anyway, I've got one with a lid, so lid goes on, and that goes into the oven for 55 minutes. I got the casserole out of the oven and put the double cream in, stirred it around, made the potatoes. I mean, if you don't like them like that, you could have made mash if you like, and I did the green beans as well. So all in all, this is a huge portion. Now on the picture, they do have the casserole in a dish on a plate as well. But you know, I'm just gonna stick it all on the same plate because I think it's nice to have the sauce with the jacket potatoes as well. The jacket potatoes said put them in the oven for an hour. Well, to be honest, I put them in the microwave because I find it easier, and then I made them that way, roasted them afterwards. So that is all the sauce there. So all I have to do is try it. So I'm going to give it an honest review, whether I like it or not. I mean, it smells delicious, but they are the portion sizes, which I think is really good. Just grab that fork there. Right, let's get the pork on. I've got some butter in there as well. Well, what I like to call butter. Really tender. Very tasty sauce. I mean, we're only really interested in the pork and the sauce, aren't we? That's absolutely gorgeous. That'd be even nice as well if you put that in a dish. So you could do this all differently. Put that in a dish, made some mash and put it on top, like a bit like a pork casserole pie. I'd definitely buy that one again. So just let me show you which one that was again in case any of you want to purchase this. It's the oven baked creamy pork and thyme casserole. It was really good, that one. Very, very tasty. 100% buy that one again. So there you go, guys. That was my review on the Gusto meal prep.